using my huge brush today. Hi everyone, hi! So, I've been looking at my channel, at my paintings, at my videos, and there's one painting that is still going viral. I created it 2 years ago, and every time when I post it on Facebook, it goes insane. Honestly, it was the quickest painting I have ever done, and it also sold within 10 minutes of creating it because my best friend bought it immediately. I've never have been able to kind of recreate it because it was like a blur in a moment. It went super quick. I have no clue what colors I used as well. But today I'm gonna try. It's this painting, by the way. Let's get started. So I think I used a Jenkins Green. Let's drop that. Definitely a Sap Green. Oh, well, there we go. I do think I used a Payne's Gray, but I'm out of Payne's Gray, so I'm just using a gray. Probably some Prussian Blue. Just a little. Using my huge brush today. Yeah, this truly does look like that color. Okay, I think this is quite close to the background color of that painting. It's mostly Jenkins Green. So now I know for sure I used an interference gold. I don't have that, but I do have a pearl yellow. Might just do it with a big brush. What will happen if I scrape here? It's not looking like it, but I'm not disliking this. That's for sure. Really like this part. It's not even close to that painting. Well, close, no, not close, but it does resemble it. Only took me a lot longer. No, this composition could be cool like this. This is an amazing composition. You know what? I'm not unhappy with this. I'm gonna let it dry. I'll be back.